Way to go. Missional fast to begin, followed by Joshua Slapter in second. Apu Bell racing in third from the outside. Blue Seal is racing in fourth, and running at the tail of the field is Jaiho. Missional by about 5 lengths, followed now by Apu Bell in second. Joshua Slapter is racing in third by Drell. Passing the half-mile post, Missional by about 5 lengths, followed by Apu Bell. Joshua Slapter racing in third by Drell. Rounding the far turn, Missional by only 3 lengths. Apu Bell is running in second. Joshua Slapter is racing in third as they race the last 500. Missional, Apu Bell, Joshua Slapter, Danori inside as they race the final corner. Apu Bell is now the leader. Joshua Slapter, Danori inside, firing it out for the lead. Last 150, Apu Bell, Joshua Slapter, Danori inside. Joshua Slapter, Apu Bell from the outside. It's still Joshua Slapter, this time by a length and a half, followed by Apu Bell. And finally, number 1, Joshua Slapter, Apu Bell, Blue Seal, Jaiho, Missional comes last.
Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3 ating unofficial order of arrival. Crossing the wire first, yung nalyamadong